and together, whoever with sila na nabaray sa ano na magtutulong naman sa ating ibaga from very day.
Good morning to all our televiewers. And it's a good way to start the morning, diba? Exercise, very dancing. And of course, to those who love you.
Sabihin naman natin ang ating mga ano kasi yung sumayo talaga. Yung belly dance. Okay, well, Albert, ano yung ba yung sabi ko na kaya kayo? Nasa competition, how about Nia? Okay, kaya nga naman ngayon, papakitaan tayo ng kanilang demonstration pagdating sa belly dance. Ay, kaya po ba ang ating mga basic belly dance? Ano po belly dance?
Belly dancing is a celebration of beauty. So, tamang-tama na
Early power talaga this morning. It's a celebration of beauty, creativity,
and dancing. Of course, this is the traditional dance in a lot of Middle Eastern countries. We have Intika, we have Turkish, we have tribal, we have lots of belly dancing. Pero yung belly dancing na tutulong ko sa inyo ngayon are the basic steps, right? And then,
Young and 6 years old.
yeah, 6 years old. Ayan. We also accept 2-year-old. So-plug ko yan mamaya. Okay, so let's start. Okay, first of course is the posture. Kailangan, yan, chest up, shoulders down, long neck. Diba? Dance like a diva, like a goddess. Okay, you fit your arms shoulder level. Ayan, pero dapat chest out. Ayan, chest out. Ayan, chest out. So, ang gagawin natin, we'll just move our shoulders forward and back like for 5 minutes. Okay? Yeah, let's slow it down. Slow down first, girl. Okay, and then now fast. That's what we call a shoulder shimmy. Diba? Dapat lahat yumuyugyog. Okay, so ayan, medyo lean back ng konti. Yeah, that's what we call a shoulder shimmy. Now, the basic shimmy naman for the hip, it's good exercise naman. You alternately bend your knees, right, left, right, left. Okay, so okay, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, now alternate. Yan! Pag nanginginig na dapat lahat. Okay, that's what we call a shimmy. Now, we're gonna layer it with snake arms. Yes. Snake arms. Yes, snake arms. Very good English, dog. Snake it up. Snake it up. Dahil ko naman, singer ka pa. Okay, and then, of course, isolation is all about, self-dancing is all about isolation. So, hips ang very important. Right leg in front. Okay, posture, lean back, dapat, yeah, kailangan strong ang stomach muscles, squeeze your stomach muscles. Hindi focus yung ating heels sa kanila na lang. Okay, and then this is what you call your S-arm. It's all about the hips. So, up and drop, up and drop, up and drop, up and drop. Okay, now let's make it faster. That's what we call your hip drop. The hip drop, S. Then nanggulo ang aking mic. Okay, this is it. Go. Yes, very good. Very good. Okay, okay. So now we have our belly roll. Ayan. It really needs to be able to control your muscles. Yes, there are actually madaming parts yan, di ba? But to make sure we have our upper and lower abs. Okay, so now, squeeze the upper ab, and then lower, and then release. Okay, so focus natin yan. Okay, there. Okay, yan. Squeeze, release. Ayan. Okay, so all the televiewers,
Naging model ng sandal.
squeeze your stomach and release. Squeeze and release. You just really have to know how to control your muscles. So once you know how to do that, squeeze and release. Yeah, sige. Squeeze or release. Okay, pop. Dapat you have to make your stomach as big as you can. Pop, pop, pop. Ah, yes. Ayan, nagkakamuscle sa English. That's fine. Yeah, so now that's why you can move it. Good and move like that. So everybody, would you like to have a demo? Ayan. Let's have some music. Let's have some music. Okay, you ready? Freestyle. Please, you and Paul, please join us.
Down forward. And then
We're about to shimmy. Yeah, dapat talaga. Yeah. Okay, of course, Philippines. And you can join our classes every Saturday po at the basement studio of Baguio Convention Center. We start at 2 o'clock. Of course, we offer also polynictic dancing, belly dancing, hip-hop, volleyball. To all of you, beginner or advanced, what we call it young and old, we start them as early as 2 years old. And you know, sinalola na kayo. As long as you know how to walk and you can walk, you can join our classes. So please join us at Aloha Philippines every Saturday po at Baguio Convention Center.
Thank you so much, Miss Angel.
Thank you so much, Anna Martin.
And of course, to Kim and Julie, and of course, sa mga Aloha Philippines. Samantala, I'm sure mga kapamilyang ginutong dahil sa ating pag-belly dancing. Kaya naman ngayong umaga, tikman natin ang empanada dyan sa Mayusikan. Panoorin po natin ito.